Good morning, guys. How are you doing? So I just want to present to you here the weekly update by Ready Steady Crypto. I'm just going to go through a few pairs here, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, VRA, and Polyastic. These are just kind of what I've been looking at heavily this last week, and where my mind's going to be for the coming weeks. So let's start off with Bitcoin and see exactly where we are. So it's been a fantastic week for Bitcoin this week. We've seen a nice little rally to the upside of 20%. That's within this week. This shouldn't be taken as direct confluence that we have got out of the bear trap yet. We are still struggling with this resistance from this downtrend. As we go here on some smaller time frames, I'm just going to put on these EMAs and this simple moving average. So you can see here that we've had a nice kick above the 40,000 area of resistance. This little yellow box here shows us the CME gap close on Friday. Now, if you're not aware of what the CME gap close is, this is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and this is originally where the futures for Bitcoin was taken throughout the weekdays. Now, this exchange closes on a Friday and reopens on a Monday morning. The Monday morning being Tuesday if you are in the UK, Tuesday if you are in Australia, or Monday if you're in the UK region. So this is where Bitcoin closed here, and you can see there 40,640, and that's depicted here in this little yellow circle. So the fact that we've actually closed on Friday above the 21 EMA, and now we're trapped in between the 21 and the 55 on this level of support and resistance here, which you can clearly see outlined if I zoom out. This gives us a very good outlook for this week. So the fact that Bitcoin's still bullish, it has been all weekend, gives me quite good hopes that, you know, this is the reversal phase here, and we could still see something like this and a rejection from this support all the way back down to the 29-30k mark. Don't write that off, because we have got hard resistance here from the 55 EMA, but same again, the market sentiment's changing. A lot of people have changed their outlook. A lot of shorts have been liquidated, and we have been feathering about above this area of resistance now, acting as support. So should we be able to stay above this area 41,600 throughout this week, this gives us a very good outlook to see that we'll be going back up to the 45k pretty soon. So as you go down to the 1 hour time frame, guys, look, you can see these moving averages we're sat on them nicely as a little bit of support. Obviously this line here has been proven as some good support, but yeah, things are looking very, 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 very good. So on the 1 hour chart, you can see here that we've had an extended period of downside bearishness via the MACD. We've had some cooling off period on the RSI. Now, if we go up to a 4 hour time frame, you can see that the opposite's happening here. We've got a bearish sentiment on the MACD, and also we're very overbought on the RSI. Now, if you flip to the daily, we're still nowhere near any of these indicators topping out yet on the daily, so it would make sense that we do consolidate a little bit here for at least today, Monday, before potentially another rise to the upside when the markets reopen around the rest of the world from tomorrow onwards. So that's just Bitcoin that we're looking at here. Next, I just want to show you Ethereum and where we're actually up to with the ETH trade. So Ethereum right now is at $3,000. Naturally, you would expect some kind of rejection from here, but same again, we're on the underside of this resistance. We haven't broken through it like we did on the Bitcoin chart, but once again, plotting the EMAs, we're comfortably above the 21 moving average on the daily. But we are just above the 200 on the 4 hour, which is a very good sign. The minute these two indicators cross here, on a higher time frame would be more preferable, but especially on a 4 hour, this gives us a small golden cross confirmation, which means that we should see a nice bounce off support here. On the 1 hour chart, we're very, very bearish. We are due a bullish sentiment to kick in this morning, but we are looking for the daily close. So the daily close this time is in 1 hour and 46 minutes, and that is also the weekly close of this candle. So on a weekly time frame, it'd be nice if we did get that final little bit of kick and we managed to break into this support and resistance area, as is the same on the Bitcoin chart. But look, not to be too worried. we do look good. We have got some barriers in the way and a few barricades that we do need to overcome, but overall the sentiment in the market is looking rather bullish. So now to the altcoins, my favorite. So here we have VRA panning out and playing absolutely lovely. We got a really nice kick off this level of support down here at 1.7 cents. We've had almost, I think, 50% gains over the course of this weekend, which has been 45% gains over the course of this weekend, which has just been outstanding, really, especially for one of the altcoins that I anticipate is going to do really, really well. So once again, MACD on the weekly, everything's looking basically the same on the indicators because everything's had such a good kick. But once again, we've got this little bit of a downtrend happening here on this orange line marked. We've broken above it, we're setting above it. The fact that we're closing green here gives us another good confirmation. We're above the 21 EMA and we've still got room to go to the 55. That's on the daily, as is the 4 hour. As you can see there, the MACD's losing momentum. We're trapped underneath the 200 moving average, which is underneath the resistance of the 2.5 cents. But then again, on the 1 hour chart, everything's been looking pretty steady. We've just had a nice little kick these last 2 hours. So once again, we'll be tracking this and seeing where it goes from now till 11 o'clock. And to finish off with is Polx. So one of my favorites. We're now heading into this area of support as resistance even. So we will be looking to close above these lows here to give us what would be classed as a better outlook. But if you look on the 4 hour chart, we're still above these. We've had a nice cross here. Same again on the daily. Now into this area of support and resistance. We're looking for this to flip. But yeah, look, we've still got quite a bit to go on this. I mean, this does present some good moves. So I'm thinking everything is going to come up and at least touch the 200 moving average. So Polx would give us another 80% that we're looking for. VRA is potentially got at least another 62%, and then ETH and Bitcoin. So ETH another 20%, and then Bitcoin another 20%. So yeah, guys, look, if any of you took the trades when I was calling it back down here, 34, 35, very well done. This could be the start of something good, but we're not gonna get carried away at the minute and start thinking everything's bullish. This could still be classed as we're trapped in a downtrend and a little fake out. This week really is the tester. We need to see how all the pairs are performing. Bitcoin seriously needs to have a good week this week. We can't really have any sell-offs or any corrections back down above or below the 39, 40k. We do need to carry on trading above the 41k region. So that's my outlook this week. That's what I'm looking at. I will keep updating the Discord as we progress through the course of the week. If any trades become apparent or they look very favourable, I will be placing them in there. But look, guys, if you've got any questions or you'd like to know anything further on what it is that I've been charting just now or want anything explaining in greater detail, please do drop me a message below and let me know. That way I can accommodate your needs. Have a great day today, guys, and have a happy week trading. I wish you all the best. Trade safe. Keep your eyes on the markets, and yeah, let's do this.